Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason Wehrli. Today we have our 5th gen Cummins OEM replacement coolant tank kit. Alright, so your 19 to current model Cummins platform, 6.7 Cummins, is what's considered the 5th gen body style. And what we have here is our OEM replacement coolant tank kit. What this is a high quality aluminum fabricated coolant tank that replaces the OEM plastic injection molded factory style tank. The tank is very similar in size to the OEM tank. Main benefits here would be additional clearance on the firewall alongside the engine if you're running a aftermarket or a custom style turbocharger system. Our tank gives a little more clearance than the OEM unit to allow room for those different turbocharger applications. But otherwise, it is fully compatible on a stock truck. So if you're looking to enhance the underhood view of your 5th gen Ram, spice things up a little bit, get rid of the ugly white coolant tank, our nice aluminum custom powder coated tank is a good option for that. So a little bit of detail on the construction. Our tanks are designed in CAD for not only precise fitment, but also for the best possible fitment around all of the other OEM components, requiring little to no modification to any other existing OEM components in the area, whether it be air conditioning lines, wire harnesses, battery trays. No cutting or modifications required. It drops right into that OEM position. So CAD modeled and designed. We build all these right here 100% in-house, laser cut on our CNC laser, and then bent on our CNC hydraulic brake. Several machine components on the tank. We've got our nice build aluminum sight glass in the side, making visibility of your coolant level with the hood popped simple, not having to pull the cap off to see where your coolant level's at. We've got ports on the top of the tank here for connection of the OEM coolant lines. On the bottom of the tank, we've got a 3/4 inch hose barb that is for our supplied heater hose. We actually relocate that large lower fitting versus the OEM location and supply a new longer section of hose along with some heat wrap to keep the heat from the turbocharger exhaust housing off of that hose. On the fill neck of the tank, we've got our high quality CNC machine build aluminum black anodized cap. We do offer as an additional option sold separate a clear anodized version if you prefer that look over the black anodized. Also at the coolant neck, we have our thread-in overflow barb that threads right into the neck and accepts our preformed coolant overflow hose, which gives it a nice clean OEM style look coming off the top of that tank, routed down into the fender. And last item included with the kit is our low coolant sensor. Our sensor is a serviceable, removable style item. The OEM tank, the sensor is incorporated, injected into the plastic, and is a non-serviceable component. So ours is a standard 1/2 inch NPT pipe thread, threads right into the side of the tank using Teflon paste. And last, of course, all WC Fab product powder coated right here in-house in our state-of-the-art powder coat facility. This product here shown in our WC Fab Gray, one of our signature colors. WC Fab Gray along with WC Fab Red are considered some of our in-stock, quick-to-ship colors, along with gloss black, gloss white. So if you're looking for a coolant tank in a hurry, got an issue with your factory one, or just looking to upgrade just in time for a weekend event, we have those certain colors in stock, ready to ship quick. If you're interested in one of the custom colors, we've got many to choose from. Those will just carry an additional lead time. So that wraps up all the details on our fabricated aluminum coolant tank for the 5th gen 19 to current model 6.7 Cummins. If you've got any questions about this product or anything else we offer for the 5th gen Cummins, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to our sales team. Thanks a lot for watching.
Okay, keep rolling.
All right.